Fucking weird, that sound. Totally freaky. It is. Hey, what time is it here? It's 7. What? It's 7 a.m. here in Venice? What? What time is it? No, I'm making a video. What time is it here? There's my brother Joseph, Christy, my sister Christy, and our friend Homer. There's nobody here in St. Marcos Square. But it's... What time is it exactly?
It's 3 a.m. fucker.
It is 3 a.m. and it's freaky because
You guys want to order?
there's an unknown entity ringing the fucking bell in one of these churches here. You guys hear it? Okay, everybody be quiet. Yeah.
Damn, that's a different bell.
That's some weird ass fucking shit. Don't you guys think so? No, you think it's weird? That somebody?
It's not weird, we just don't know what it is.
No, somebody is ringing that fucking bell.
I want to go up there. Let's go up there and find out.
No, we're not going up there. We're gonna finish our fucking beer,
Hotels? What is this?
and we're going back to our hotel.
What
Bye.